We're really looking forward to partnering with Vantage Point. I think it's a great opportunity for both of us. Both companies have similar values that we're really looking forward to working with and growing a long-lasting relationship with Vantage Point.
Well, Vantage Point is a company that my wife and I founded over 25 years ago. We've been doing it for so long, it's almost like a calling for us. Well, our vision for this project is to develop a community that provides multiple levels of care. So Meadowcrest at Middletown will offer independent living and assisted living and memory care programs. It's 132 units.
It's really the first senior living community to be coming to the Middletown area ever, so I think it's really going to set the tone for the future of senior living in the region, and I think that's a really exciting thing and place to be.
So people who have lived in this area their entire lives and don't want to leave the area, and they see the community changing around them, they're forced really to move north or to move south outside of where they've spent decades creating families and creating community. So to be able to bring a senior living community like this to this area, it's an amazing moment for us to be able to provide something that seniors can't even conceptualize will make their lives infinitely better. It's been an honor to be working with families in Middletown and to see the change in them when they realize that this isn't a nursing home, that this is really they're gaining back independence by leaving behind all of this hard work and maintenance of a home that they don't utilize as much anymore.
It's special for us in a variety of ways, but mainly it's working with Vantage Point, the developer and owner, to help create very special homes for people who are aging at different stages in their life. We find it very rewarding to not just create a place, but create a community. So the vision for this, everywhere we go, we try to make the buildings not feel cookie cutters. So if you look around at a lot of senior communities, they tend to look alike, and it's hard to tell one from the other. And with Vantage Point, we don't really have a signature move for them, but we try to fit it into the community. So if you look at the design of this project, it has what we would call a modern rural aesthetic, and it relates to the area around Middletown, Delaware, the agricultural history that we have here, while still feeling appealing to people who are sophisticated.
Well, it's very near and dear to our heart. We built a home in Kimberton, Pennsylvania 32 years ago, raised our family there for 32 years, and when Greg and I decided that it was really time to downsize because of all the development and everything we're doing, and our hearts are really coming into Delaware more and more, we decided that when we were trying out different names for the property, one of the best things we could do to make it feel like home to us and hopefully home to everybody who will live here is to name it Meadowcrest. We lived on Meadowcrest Drive in Kimberton for 32 years. So naming this Meadowcrest is a little piece of us, it's a little piece of home to us, and hopefully it will be home to the people who come to live with us.
Vantage Point is really proud to be able to announce the start of construction on Meadowcrest at Middletown. This is a project that we've been working on for over 2 years. What you see here today represents about 3 or 4 weeks of work. So our construction company, Horst Construction, has done a heck of a job.
Meadowcrest is going to have a huge impact on the community just in the services that it's going to provide seniors. Again, there's nothing like it in the area, and we'll also bring a large amount of employment opportunities to the region as well. I think once we're fully operational, we'll have over 100 people on staff on our employment roster, so I think it's going to help really support the economic growth that's really coming to Middletown.